Looking to finally monetize your radio station? With Pro Radio Business Tools, you've found a solution that saves you time and lets you focus on what you love, running your station. If you run a radio station, Pro Radio Business Tools is the best solution you'll find, no matter your website traffic or number of listeners. We created this tool in response to feedback from our customers who needed a better tool to monetize their station and integrate existing ad managers. While exploring the alternative solutions, we realized that none of them were designed for the unique business model of a real radio station. While searching for the right solution, we found three major problems holding radio stations back from proper monetization. First, most ad managers rely on PPC, pay-per-click revenue, that only works if your site gets millions of visits. But radio stations are usually focused on smaller niche audiences, which makes PPC ineffective. Second, existing ad managers weren't designed for the real-life business of running a radio station. Managing ad campaigns for multiple small sponsors requires a simple, streamlined tool for handling sponsors, banners, links, and dates, without overcomplicating things or wasting times. Running a radio station is already time-consuming, and managing sponsors shouldn't add to that. Lastly, ad managers lacked the flexibility needed for radio stations, which often deals with known customers, personal relationships, and customized offers to build long-term partnerships. This requires streamlined management of payments and customer relationships. In addition to that, you don't want to wait months before seeing a penny, like you would if you go with AdSense or affiliation method. With business tools, in fact, you can monetize from day one, transforming your hard work into real cash beforehand. We developed Pro Radio Business Tools to be simple and effective. It allows you to create ad campaigns easily, manage multiple campaigns and customers, let your clients upload their own banners, track performance, and even sell promotion plans directly from your website. Let's see how. Number 1. Monetize immediately, independently from the number of website visits or radio listeners. Why wait months to see any income when you can start earning today? Many businesses are willing to pay a fair price to reach the unique audience that only your station can offer. Your station isn't just another website, it's a direct line to a dedicated audience. Business Tools lets you leverage that power and connect businesses with listeners who matter. Local business owners, restaurants, shops, and niche online businesses such as school, sport retailers, and hobby shops can gain more exposure by advertising on a targeted radio station website than through a generic PPC campaign. With Pro Radio Business Tools, you can generate real revenue by assigning the right value to your niche, connecting businesses with audience that benefits from their services. Do you want to display AdSense or other affiliation codes? No problem. You can mix customer banners with AdSense to get the most out of ad spaces. Number 2, the management of ad campaigns is easy, mostly automated, without the bloating of endless options like it would happen with other popular plugins out there. You don't need to be a tech expert to run Pro Radio Business Tools. It's designed to be intuitive with everything in one place. Let sponsors purchase and submit ads autonomously. Manually approve campaigns for added control and security, easily provide performance reports. All you need to do is check the payments via PayPal, credit card, or other methods and approve the campaign. Additionally, we give you an easy-to-use white label PDF with instructions that you can just email to your customers along with a login to upload their banners. Just approve the campaign and let the money flow. Number 3, flexibility. Our plugin disconnects the ad products that you sell from the ad campaigns, dates, and slots. You are totally free to create as many ad plans as you want and modify campaigns anytime, adjusting dates and options based on your personal agreements with the customer. They call you to change dates or change banners, no problem. You can do this with a click, without messing around with billing and invoices. The final touch relies on statistics. A secure, professional statistics page is automatically generated for each campaign, offering real-time data on clicks. If you want, you can share access with your partners, allowing them to track progress instantly. This polished feature strengthens your partnership by providing clear, valuable insights. But what if you also want to use AdSense? Integrating AdSense on radio station websites is often complicated due to IX page loading issues, which leads to missing ads. With business tools, you can mix seamlessly your sponsors' banners campaigns with your own AdSense banners. This will ensure no ad space stays unused and guarantees optimal monetization even in periods where campaigns may not be full. A lot of customers are already using it, and we had excellent feedbacks and reviews, making us sure that what we are offering is not just another ad manager, but the best tool for a radio station to help you really get the most out of your great passion and hard effort, and turning your specific needs of dedicated listeners into precious assets to find and attract the best sponsors out there. Don't let another month go by without monetizing your station. With our 14 days money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. Act now and give your radio the value it deserves.